Hello guys, if you wanna bring a free agent onto your team in franchise mode in Madden NFL 27, you can do it directly through the roster management menu. First, open your franchise, then move across the top menu and select manage roster. From here, choose free agency and you'll be taken to the list of players who are currently available to sign. If you wanna switch between the different free agent list, hold L2 on PlayStation or L2 on Xbox. This lets you cycle through categories like free agents, practice squad eligible, and upcoming free agents. For regular free agents, make sure free agents is selected. You can also filter the players by position, which is useful if you are searching for someone specific, like a quarterback, wide receiver, linebacker, or another position. To do that, hold R2 on PlayStation or RT on Xbox, then select the position you are interested in. Once you find a player you would like to sign, select that player and you'll be able to look through their overall rating, attributes, player profile, and other information. When you are ready to make an offer, select Speak with Player. This will start the contract negotiation where you'll need to build a deal that works for both sides. You can adjust different parts of the contract, including the contract length, yearly salary, signing bonus, and other available terms. While negotiating, keep an eye on the player's interest and patience. If you make an offer that's too far away from what they are expecting, it can hurt the negotiation, so try to find a deal that keeps the player interested. Once you reach an agreement, the player will accept the contract and they'll officially become a member of your team. And that's how you can find free agents, check their contract demands, negotiate an offer, and send them to your team in franchise mode in Madden NFL 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.